Have you ever stopped to consider the humble ant, a creature small in size but vastly significant in its role within our ecosystem? Welcome to the intriguing world of ants, tiny powerhouses that form the backbone of ecosystems around the globe, with their complex societies and impressive abilities belonging to the family Formicidae. Ants are among the most fascinating insects on Earth, known for their highly organized colonies. Each ant, whether a worker, soldier or queen, plays a unique and crucial role in maintaining the colony's survival, from foraging and food storage to nest construction and defense. Their diverse behaviors and habitats are a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. And it's not just about survival. Ants are also ingenious problem solvers capable of building intricate nests and farming fungi for food. From the smallest worker to the queen herself, every ant in a colony plays a crucial part in the survival and success of their community. But let's delve deeper into these roles. When it comes to problem solving and adaptability, ants are a force to be reckoned with. Their tiny size belies a remarkable ability to tackle complex challenges and adapt to a wide variety of environments. This adaptability is a testament to their extraordinary resourcefulness and ingenuity. Consider their architectural prowess. Ants can construct intricate nests, some reaching up to 30 feet underground. These subterranean cities, designed with a maze of tunnels and chambers, not only provide shelter but also regulate temperature and humidity, creating an optimal environment for the colony. Their trail formation too is a marvel of engineering. Ants use pheromones to create scent trails which guide their fellow workers to food sources. This clever use of chemical communication ensures that even in the vast expanse of their environment, no ant ever loses its way. But perhaps the most fascinating demonstration of their ingenuity is their method of food farming. Certain species, like the leafcutter ants, engage in a form of agriculture. They harvest leaves, not to eat, but to cultivate a special type of fungus. This fungus, grown in their nests, is their primary food source. It's a complex system of farming that's been in play millions of years before human agriculture. These examples of ants' problem-solving abilities are just the tip of the iceberg. They've been known to build living bridges with their bodies to cross water, form rafts to survive floods, and even engage in a form of medicine, applying antimicrobial substances to their bodies to ward off disease. These seemingly simple creatures exhibit extraordinary resourcefulness and intelligence, but their contribution to our ecosystem goes far beyond their architectural prowess. Ants are ecological powerhouses, playing critical roles in maintaining the balance of nature. Their activities help regulate populations of other organisms, shape the structure of ecosystems, and even influence climate. As we delve deeper into the world of ants, we begin to appreciate the intricate complexity of their societies and the profound impact they have on our planet. These tiny architects, farmers, and engineers remind us of the infinite possibilities that can arise from cooperation and resilience. Ants are often referred to as ecological engineers, but what does this mean? In essence, it underscores the indispensable roles these tiny creatures play in maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems worldwide. Let's start with nutrient cycling. Ants are nature's little recyclers. As they burrow through the soil, they break down organic matter, turning it into nutrient-rich soil. This process ensures that plants have access to vital nutrients, promoting plant growth and contributing to a lush and diverse vegetation. Next, we have seed dispersal. Some species of ants have a unique relationship with certain plants. These ants gather and store seeds in their nests, often transporting them over long distances. When these seeds eventually sprout, they contribute to the spread of plant species and the diversification of the ecosystem. But that's not all. Ants are also natural pest controllers. They prey on a variety of insects and small organisms that can otherwise wreak havoc on ecosystems. By keeping these populations in check, ants help to maintain a delicate balance between different species, contributing to biodiversity. It's astounding to think about the significant impact these minuscule creatures have on our environment. They aerate the soil, aid in the spread of plant life, and keep harmful pests at bay. Through these actions, ants shape the structure and function of ecosystems, playing a key role in the preservation of biodiversity. However, these tiny engineers work ceaselessly, shaping our world in ways that often go unnoticed. They are the unsung heroes of our natural world, tirelessly working to maintain the health and balance of our ecosystems. But they face threats that could disrupt their work and, by extension, our ecosystems. So the next time you see an ant scurrying across your path, take a moment to appreciate the enormous job it's doing. Remember, every ant matters. Every ant contributes, and every ant is a testament to the power of cooperation, resilience, and the extraordinary impact of small actions. Unfortunately, the world of ants is not without its perils. Despite their adaptability and resilience, ants face a variety of threats that challenge their survival. In our ever-changing world, these tiny ecological engineers often bear the brunt of environmental shifts and human activity. Habitat destruction is one such threat. As forests are cleared and landscapes are altered, ant colonies lose the environments they once thrived in. This loss of habitat can disrupt ant populations, leading to a decline in their numbers and diversity. Remember, ants are integral to ecosystems, so their decline can have cascading effects on other organisms and the overall health of the environment. Invasive species are another threat. When non-native ants are introduced to new ecosystems, they can outcompete local ant species for resources. Take the fire ant, for example, which has spread rapidly in many parts of the world, displacing local ants and disrupting ecosystems. Pesticides pose a significant risk as well. While these chemicals are often used to control unwanted pests, they can also harm non-target species like ants. Pesticides can contaminate ant food sources and habitats, leading to declines in ant populations. And let's not forget climate change. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns can alter ant habitats and disrupt their behavior. Some ant species may struggle to adapt to these changes, leading to shifts in ant populations and potentially impacting ecosystems. The challenges are significant but not insurmountable. As protectors of our environment, we have a responsibility to help. By understanding and mitigating these threats, we can work towards a future where ants continue to play their vital roles in our ecosystems. After all, every ant, from the tiny worker to the mighty queen, contributes to the intricate web of life that sustains us all. It's not just about saving ants, it's about preserving the balance of our ecosystems. As we delve into the world of conservation efforts, we realize that these tiny creatures carry a weight far heavier than their own, symbolizing the vitality of every organism in our ecosystems. Let's first talk about habitat preservation. This involves maintaining and protecting the natural environments where ants live. It's about keeping forests standing, grasslands undisturbed, and soils unpolluted. By doing so, we're not just giving ants a home, but we're also preserving the intricate relationships that ants have with other species and the environment. Next, we have integrated pest management. This is a more sustainable approach to controlling pests, which includes ants that are considered pests in certain situations. Instead of using harmful pesticides that can wipe out beneficial ant species as well, integrated pest management focuses on strategies that are less harmful to the environment and non-target species. It's about striking a balance, where we can protect our crops and homes without causing undue harm to our six-legged friends and their ecological roles. Reducing pesticide use is another critical step in ant conservation. Pesticides can have devastating effects on ants, disrupting their complex societies and killing off entire colonies. By opting for more natural and sustainable pest control methods, we can lessen the impact on ant populations and the ecosystems they support. But these conservation efforts don't just happen in the wild or on farmland, they begin with us in our homes and communities. It starts with understanding the value of ants, spreading awareness, and making small changes to our lifestyles. Whether it's choosing eco-friendly products, supporting habitat preservation initiatives, or simply letting an ant carry on with its journey instead of squashing it, every action counts. By understanding and addressing these challenges, we can help ensure that ants continue to thrive and contribute to the health and diversity of ecosystems worldwide. Remember, in the grand scheme of things, no effort is too small in the world of conservation, especially when it comes to protecting our tiny yet mighty friends, the ants. The world of ants is a testament to the power of cooperation and resilience. These tiny creatures demonstrate remarkable ingenuity, each playing a significant role within their complex societies to ensure the survival of their colony. They are vital ecological engineers, contributing to nutrient cycling, seed dispersal, and pest control, shaping the structure and function of ecosystems. However, their existence is threatened by habitat destruction, invasive species, pesticides, and climate change. Our role as stewards of the environment is to preserve these intricate societies through conservation efforts like habitat preservation, integrated pest management, and reducing pesticide use. Just as each ant contributes to the success of its colony, each of us can contribute to the preservation of these remarkable creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. So let's remember, each tiny ant plays a monumental role in our world. Protect our ecosystems, protect our ants.